Have you ever wondered if those kitchen scrap gardening videos actually work?
Social media is full of hacks claiming you can regrow vegetables from scraps.
But here's the truth, most of those videos don't tell you.
To understand why some scraps grow and others don't, we need to look at the parts of a plant.
Some vegetables regrow from leaves and stems, while others, like fruit seeds, take years or may not grow at all.
Vegetative scraps like these are your best bet for fast, reliable regrowth.
After a few days in water, some of these scraps start to show tiny roots and fresh leaves.
The lettuce base, when kept intact, can produce new leaves ready for harvest.
Scraps like celery and carrot tops often push out fresh leaves quickly, making them perfect for regrowing.
Once roots appear, transferring the scraps into soil helps them grow stronger and healthier.
These won't turn into full grocery harvests, but they can give you fresh greens again.
Every plant has a life cycle, and leafy greens grow fast but don't last forever.
Keeping these plants cool and well watered helps extend their growing time. Fruit scraps usually aren't worth the wait unless you're happy just experimenting. For quick results, stick to leafy scraps like lettuce, green onions, and celery.
Know what you're growing, set realistic expectations, and enjoy the process.
If you enjoyed this, try regrowing something this week and keep growing.
And that's the real truth about regrowing vegetables from kitchen scraps. Simple scraps, smart choices, and a little patience can still grow something real.
Sometimes, the smallest starts lead to the most satisfying growth.
Notice how healthy leaves develop when given light, water, and care. Regular watering keeps these scraps thriving and ready for continuous harvest. Toe-pinned. Checking the roots and leaves helps you know which scraps are ready for soil.
Organizing your scraps this way keeps your workspace tidy and helps plants grow efficiently.
Roots begin to appear within days, signaling the perfect time to plant them in soil.
Carefully transferring scraps to soil helps them develop stronger roots and healthier leaves.
Inspecting the leaves and stems helps track which scraps are thriving.
Small leaves can be harvested gradually without harming the plant.
Leafy scraps like lettuce and celery grow quickly, giving you fresh greens in days. Start with healthy scraps, give them light and water, and you'll be rewarded with fresh, continuous growth.
Even small kitchen scraps, cared for properly, can grow into something beautiful.
With patience and care, even kitchen scraps can keep giving you fresh greens.
Even small details like water and light help these scraps flourish beautifully.
Giving your plants a final check ensures they stay healthy and continue growing.
Freshly harvested leaves from your scraps can be used immediately in meals.
Rotating your pots ensures each plant gets enough light to thrive evenly.
Harvest gradually to encourage continuous growth from your kitchen scraps.
Even small droplets of water highlight the freshness and health of your greens. Take a moment to appreciate your plants. Small efforts lead to great results.
And with care, even simple kitchen scraps can keep giving you fresh greens.